The key to generating sales is to drive traffic to your listing. And as an Amazon seller, it's important to be able to track how well each of your traffic sources is performing so that you can optimize them and spend your advertising dollars in the most effective way. The biggest problem with tracking the performance of external traffic is that Amazon doesn't allow you to use tracking tools like the Facebook Pixel. In this video, I'll show you a powerful hack that will allow you to track your conversions from external sources like Facebook ads and Google AdWords. But first, my name is Crescent, and if this is our first time meeting, welcome to my channel. My passion is sharing tips and strategies on how you can create a successful Amazon FBA private label business. So if you enjoy videos like this, or especially if you've been around my channel, consider subscribing. All right, let's get started. Okay, so since you can't use the Facebook Pixel to track your clicks and conversions, when you run Facebook or Google ad campaigns, there's no way for you to tell how well they're converting. So the secret hack here is to use Amazon's own affiliate links from their Amazon Associates program. The Amazon Associates program is an affiliate program where you can promote products sold on Amazon and get paid a commission. What we're going to do is use the program's reporting to track our clicks and conversions from Facebook or Google. One thing I want to point out is that what we're going to use the program for is actually against Amazon Associates terms of service. But your Associates account is separate from your Amazon seller account. So if your Associates account gets suspended, which I've had mine suspended, it's okay. It doesn't affect your seller account. Just create another Associates account. All right, so the first thing you want to do is create your new Amazon Associates account. And once you've done that, it's a pretty straightforward process. You'll be able to use it immediately. Amazon doesn't actually review your account until later on after you've made a few sales. And this is where I actually had my first Amazon Associates account suspended. And it's because during the registration process, Amazon asks you how are you going to promote these affiliate links. And I said I was going to use my website. But at that time, I didn't have a website set up. And so when they reviewed it, they suspended my account because I didn't have a website. So what I did was I created a new Amazon Associate account. And this time I created a website, which was basically a landing page. I took the main photo from my listing, uploaded it, and put a link to my Amazon listing, and that's worked until now. So just be aware that Amazon does review your account, even though you get approval immediately and you're allowed to use your new account right away. So after you log in for the first time, you'll be brought to the home page that you see here. And what we're going to do is we're going to grab the affiliate link that Amazon creates for you for your product listing page. And we're going to use that URL in your Facebook ads. Now there are two ways you can get your Amazon affiliate link for your own product. And the first way is to grab the ASIN of your listing. And in this case, I'm going to use an example product. And I'll use the favorite garlic press. And let's come over here and we'll pretend that this one here is my product. And I'll grab the ASIN for it. And we'll go over to product linking here. And we'll enter the ASIN here. Click the Get Link option. And what I like to do is go text only, choose short link, and I can grab this link here. And this is the URL we're going to use in your Facebook or Google ads. Now the second way you can grab the URL, which is actually the easier way, is to use the new Amazon toolbar called Site Stripe that shows up after you've created your Amazon Associates account. If you go to Amazon, and you've probably noticed in my previous videos, there is a toolbar at the top, which is this Amazon Site Stripe toolbar. And this is going to show up when you've created your new Associates account. So what you do is you visit your own listing, the product detail page, and if you click the Get Link option here, we'll just use text. And you can see here, it gives you that same URL. So you can just copy that and use that again in your Facebook or Google ads. All right, so now what do you do with that URL? So real quick, I'll go over how you use this on a Facebook ad. So what you want to do is create a new traffic campaign and give it a name. We'll call it garlic press. And you want to be as descriptive as possible on those. And I'm not actually going to go through the entire setup here, but you want to choose a website. And the targeting, I'm not going to go through that too much, but you're going to come down here and go continue. And if you scroll down here, website URL, this is where you're going to paste that URL that you got from Amazon Associates link. And you'll notice it pulls all that information here. All right, and it's as easy as that. Now, anytime someone clicks your ad, you'll be able to track the number of clicks and the conversions. So now what's powerful here is you can look at how many conversions you had through your Facebook reports, and with your profit margin that you're generating for each sale, compare that to the amount of ad dollars you spent on your Facebook campaign, and now you can see if that campaign is actually profitable or not. This is such a powerful secret hack. Now here's a pro tip. Because the report shows all the items that were purchased through your affiliate link, you can use that data to see if buyers are actually buying your product or another one of your competitors. If buyers aren't buying yours but end up buying a competitor's, you can use that information to improve your own product. Secondarily, you can also see if there are common items being frequently purchased along with your product that may not be showing up in the frequently bought together section on Amazon. This data you can't actually get anywhere else, as Amazon doesn't give you those metrics. So you can use this information to expand your own product line. All right, thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. And to make sure you never miss a video, click that bell icon to turn on notifications. There's also a link in the description to our community forums, which you should totally join. And if you're looking for more tips and strategy videos, click or tap over here. And as always, thanks for watching.